Hello, this is Leo from Perfect Advanced Deco. Today we are going to see this table. Okay, this table is actually getting from my friends who is actually opening a cafe shop. So this is already defect, and what we are going to do now is going to repair the whole table with epoxy. So today, before we really want to do and repair the things, right, we're going to investigate and analyze which place is actually already defect and how we're going to repair on it. As you can see, all this area is already swollen up. Okay, this is due to the water seeping inside. It's not only on top of it, it's even on the bottom of it. You see? All we need to do right now is to remove all the swollen up part and replace with our epoxy putty. So what we're going to do right now is marking all the places that we are going to cut it out. You see, and the bottom as well. Let's see, this is nice, this is okay. Probably this part will be cut off as well. So that's for the top part. As for the bottom part, let's see, this part, yeah, I will show you later. This is the part that actually swollen up. So we will cut out all this area using the grinder. Grinder with the wood cutter disc. Once all the marking is done, you're going to use the grinder and always ensure that to put the protector on it. Okay, this is for your own safety purpose. So we are going to start now, and let's see how it goes and how the result goes in. Next, we are going to use the sander to make it all the surface preparation is done. It has to be rough surface because to ensure the epoxy bites on it. All we need to do now is whatever smooth surface, right, we are going to do all become the rough surface. I'm going to remove the screw to ensure all the surface is grind and sanded properly. Now we already done the surface preparation part. So what we're going to do now is start from the back, repair the remaining area that we already grind. Okay, make sure all is done at the back, then we flip over and we done the front part. So this is our perfect advanced deco putty, part A and part B. So it only need the ratio 1:1 only. So all you need to do is just mix the A part. Always remember, use the different spatula. Part A for part A spatula, part B for part B spatula. Assume I'm going to use this much. Okay. This is part B for my party B. It will be around the same amount of this. Put it together. Mix it over. When it's done, flatten it up with a spatula. Do not worry that it will become uneven surface or not, because it will be sanded afterwards. It takes about 1 day to make it all dry, then only you can do the remaining work. Would be best not to touch anything once it's applied. Do not worry the aging, as after that we are going to sand it later. So once the back part is already done, we will flip it and make it on the front part. Still, remember that part A is always part A, part B will be always part B. Do not mix the spatula. This time you're going to use more. If you do not have confidence to do it so fast, do it slowly, part by part. It's okay to be slow, and it only be able to use small part to ensure all the quality and detail is done properly. As this spatula is already mixed, I'm going to use the new one. As mentioned, it's only one part to one part, 1:1. So don't extra much or extra little. So it will actually affect the curing period and the performance of it. So you're going to mix it up. Mix it up about 1 minute will do, to ensure all is even. It's all stirred evenly. Okay, we're going to leave it and make it dry until tomorrow. So let's see how tomorrow. and we will further to see how it goes and how to do for the next step. Thank you very much.